Hello, I'm Miles. I'm going to be holding a session at the upcoming Digital Dealer Conference in April 2015. But before I talk about that, let me harken back to the September 2014 Digital Dealer Conference, where I held a session and I talked about the top 5 most common mistakes made by search advertising professionals. And in that top 5, I identified one big mistake that the automotive industry is suffering more than all the others. And that has to do with conversion tracking. Conversion tracking, the very foundation of any ROI-based optimization strategy. And it's something that the vast majority of dealerships and the agencies that manage dealership campaigns either do not have implemented properly, or have it implemented but aren't exploiting the data to optimize their campaigns to drive more sales. So I decided I'm going to spend the entire 50 minutes at the April conference talking about conversion tracking. Conversion tracking for search advertising. Stop wasting money. And during this, I'm going to talk about 3 things. First, how it works. It's a slightly technical process. It involves scripts and updating your website and sometimes even a little programming. So it can be a little intimidating for a non-technical user, but it doesn't have to be. I'm going to go through a rather detailed explanation of really how the data is moving through each step of this process to give us this conversion tracking data to evaluate and optimize with. And once you get a better understanding of what's really going on behind the scenes, you're going to be able to do a better job implementing it and also using that data. Okay. Then the second thing I'll be talking about is how to exploit our conversion tracking data to now definitively know that we are driving more leads or vehicle sales rather than just some engagement metric like clicks or ad impressions at the top of the page. And then I'm going to go through at the end just some advanced options that you might want to consider once you get the basics in place if you want to take your campaigns to the next level. So things like integrating with your CRM system so you can start tracking not just to an online conversion event but to an offline event such as an actual sold vehicle, and considering that data also in the optimization of your campaigns. So again, please come attend my session, the title, Conversion Tracking for Search Advertising, Stop Wasting Money, and I'll look forward to seeing you in April 2015. Thanks.